talking on the instruments, differential GPS. In differential GPS, we have here, I have my rover. I've already set it on a known control. Then here with me also is rover. Now, but before you start, I've already set up the instrument. As you can see, maybe in this video, I will be explaining to you how I set up the instrument from the tripod to the tripod and to the base. Maybe in next video I will be explaining that one. But for now, I want to explain to you the principle, the working principles of these instruments. Here is the base, and here is the rover. The base is the one transforming information. You've gotten information from the satellite and transfer it to the rover. But now, I want to discuss on the issue of the principles, how it normally operates. First of all, the name of this instrument is GeneTech. Like any other, it's like any other surveying, other differential GPS, like high tech. They are all the same principles. But now, let me explain to you how the principle works. First of all, let me on the instrument. You on it from here. It's now on. You have to wait for like 2 or 3. You have to wait for some seconds. Then after I turn it, now this is called data logger. This data logger is what we use to control the information you need in this instrument. So now let me on the data logger. As you can see, it's on now. So this is GeneTech P3, as you can see. It has the same operation like other ordinary differential GPS, like high target. So it's on now. As it's on now, I'm going to go to the instrument app. Is the way you are seeing it now, it's working normally like phones. It has other apps that you can use to manipulate so many things that you want. You can see my WhatsApp here, you can see the Opera Mini, you can see Play Store, because it's an Android version. This is an Android version, but that's not what I need now. What I need to work now is the surveying part. Now I go to the app. You can press here, or you can go to create yours. This create yours is also in other instruments like high target and other ones. So I can click here, or I click at this app. So let me click create yours here. As you can see, as I've opened it now, you see the project manager, coordinate system, points, lines, surfaces, calibration points, code library. Everything is here concerning everything that you need to do in surveying. You need to manipulate all these things is here. So the first thing that I will be doing is to connect the instruments. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to connect the base. Now I go to here, connection. Before I've gone to connection, now you can see the serial numbers of this instrument. You can see it here. This one, the first one, is for the base. The second one is for the rover. Now what I have to do first of all now is to stop any connection that he has before. So I have to stop any connection that he has before. So what I'm going to do now, I've stopped every other connection. What I'm going to do now is to connect this instrument now. So this 92 is for the base, because if you look at here at the serial number, they labeled it. If you see the last code of the serial number, you can see 92. So this is the 92 here. So I have to connect. I don't know whether you had the noise, Bluetooth connected. So I've done the connection. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is to initialize the base. Initialization, to initialize the base. What will I do? You can see this red mark, meaning that the base is connected. So I have to go to the base and click it. So I've got to the base. You see base ID. you see differential mode, you see differential foot control, cutoff angle, you see PDOP, you see all these things, you see. But later we will take time and analyze all these things. But for now, I want to give you the primary use of this instrument on the site. So what am I going to do now? What I'm going to do now is this. I go to this place. You can see this point, you can see here. This is where you are going to choose your point. Maybe the coordinates, maybe it is stored somewhere, but now I have already included these coordinates here. See, the startup mode that I have is known point. You have also single point. Single point means that place, you don't know the point of that place, you don't have the coordinates, so you click. But now I know the coordinate of the place, so I have to input known points. So as I put the home point, you can see the north, you can see the easting, you can see the elevation, you can see the antenna height. This is the tape. This is the tape. This is the tape. If you want to measure, see, this is where I'm going to measure it from here to the height. I've already done the measurements, antenna height, as you can see. You see the antenna height, 1.882 is very, very necessary. So after everything, you tap start. As I tap start now, it's loading, it's trying to initialize. Put your ear on the base, you will hear the sound.